especially to Mr. Christian Paulo Olaco, our inquiries, investigation, and immersion subject teacher. Good day, sir. I am Melody Ranay, and together with me are
I am Glycebel Colaine Bandies.
I am Jiswil Bakulanta.
I'm Cherubel Soriano.
I am Walter Calado.
I am Ednel Nukulan.
And I'm Jessica Palaka.
We are Group 3, and we are here to present our research study using the EMRAD format.
Our research study is a qualitative research entitled Broken Family, Its Effects to Students' Behavioral Development. We came up with this study because we observed that more and more students have now become a part of a broken family. We wanted to learn more, know more, and understand their situation and how broken family affected their behavioral development.
According to the writer of Effects on Children of a Broken Family, Marky Chavez, the divorce of two parents can be shocking and traumatic news to children. The trauma can cause the child a loss of interest to life and school. Sometimes the traumatic effects of a divorce is just too much of a child to handle. He or she may even lose his or her interest. The children will keep his or himself suffer in pain and anger. This kind of emotion makes a child vulnerable to anger, depression, and sadness.
In addition, according to the Noji, a broken home can make a child insecure in a sense that he no longer had a complete family he can call his own. For a child's mind, a family is composed of a father, mother, and children, and living without either his father or mother will create for fear and insecurities in him. This feeling of insecurities will even trigger if he is around his friends who are living a complete and happy life. This is especially true in school events where the parents' presence are required. There are plenty of school activities that involves the parents, and seeing signs like this will even make him feel ashamed of his family situation.
Children wanted to have a family. Children wanted to have a complete family, a family that they can call as home. They want to have a mother and a father. This is the reason when one parents are separated, some children find it hard accepting their situation that often results to kids becoming rebellious over their parents and other people. Their outlet to their emotions truths their rebellious manners towards people around them. A broken family due to divorce can certainly cause a child become rebellious. Part of the reason is that they might blame themselves for the divorce in the first place.
According to Teresita Canolo, nowadays there are growing the numbers of students and children that are part of the broken family. It is said that the effect of the family's breakdown on children include difficulties in school, stress, early engagement in sexual activities, insecure and afraid of the future, depression, and fear of being abandoned.
To further address this concern, the purpose of this study is to determine the effects of broken family to students' behavioral development among senior high students of Bugsok High School, how they face this problem, and what are the adaptive strategies they use to cope up while facing such situations. By understanding the students' experience regarding this matter, it is hoped that this research will provide answers to the following research questions.
For the statement of the problem, question number 1. What are the effects of having a problem family and student behavioral development?
And for the statement of the problem, question number 2, how do these effects help them grow as a student and as the individual?
Research suggests that coming from a broken family where parents have separated or divorced can impact a student's behavioral development in various ways. Students from broken families are more likely to exhibit behavioral issues such as aggression, anxiety, depression, low self esteem, academic problems, and difficulties in forming healthy relationships compared to students from intact families. This could be due to the emotional stress, lack of parental involvement, conflict between parents, economic challenges, and changes in family dynamics that often accompany a broken family situation. However, on the brighter side, some cases showed that students from broken families tend to be more independent and thrive harder in academics in order to prove their worth. Now, let us move on to the research methodology.
The study involved the selection of the senior high student from Bugsuk High School. The study was conducted at Bugsuk High School in Barangay Bugsuk, which is located approximately 5 kilometers away from the municipality of Sierra Leonesta town of center.
This study made use the phenomenological research design. The research identified the human issues of human experience about the phenomenon described by participants is studied. This Criswell 2009. This research used phenomenology that to better understand their study and to have an accurate answer that is directly coming from the respondent own experience. The purpose of study is to understand of experience from the research participant for point of view.
Out of the five categories of qualitative data analysis, this study made use of content analysis, which refers to the process of categorize verbal or behavioral data to classify, summarize, and tabulate data. The researchers used content analysis to further analyze the respondents' response and to deeply understand the effects of broken family to students' behavioral development. Doing so allows the researchers to reach a clearer conclusion.
The researcher gathered the truth semi-structured interview for the researcher to acquire the needed data and information for their study. They engaged in a one-on-one interview to better understand the respondent answer. In addition, the researcher personally created and formulated an interview guide to make sure and the questions are on point.
During the interview, we made sure that our respondents will feel comfortable, and we also made sure that the questions were formulated are answerable. The researchers asked the questions carefully so they do not cross their limits. In the end, the researchers assures the respondents that their answers will stay confident and only be used in research for them to fail it easy.
The entire research began with making and sending a letter of approval to conduct research at Bugsuk High School. Upon approval, the researchers map out the possible respondents for the study. Next is, the researcher asks for permission from the teachers and their students if they can participate in the said study. The researchers also inform them of what the research is all about and what is the research purpose. After getting their consent, the researchers then formulated the interview guide validated by the subject teacher. After being checked, the researchers then distributed the interview guide to the respondents for them to prepare their answer during the interview. On the day of the interview, the researchers made sure that the respondents are fine and that their responses will remain confidential. After collecting all the data needed, the researchers then listed every participant's responses, coded them, and categorized them to find out the effects of broken family on students' behavioral development.
When experiencing the dilemma of a broken family, they have encountered a lot of problems and challenges that may or can affect their behavioral development. Therefore, the researchers conducted an interview to gain an in-depth understanding about this matter. After obtaining the respondents' responses, it was categorized into four sub-themes: no support system, disorientation, mental well-being, and sense of responsibility. No support system. If a student has no support system, it will gradually impact the student's studies. Based on the answers we acquired from the respondents because of broken family, the support that they receive from their parents have now decreased. As a result, they tend to lose their inspiration and be less motivated. They are now uninterested in studying, which initially resulted in low scores and small grades. One of their answers is that being a part of a broken family, there's no one to tell them what is right or wrong, and no one to open up to about their problems. This results in the students being disoriented.
Because of a broken family and the absence of a support system, students may lose their sense of direction. Disorientation is one of the effects of a broken family. It is a state of mental confusion due to the sudden change that occurred within their family. They are clueless about what is happening, they often don't know what to do, and it starts to confuse them. These changes cause them to have trauma and start thinking negatively, which then affects their behaviors. That is why they often misbehave and start being rebellious.
Mental well being. Time passed by and they start to accept the reality. They are now paying attention to their mental well being. Mental well being is how people respond to life's ups and downs. It includes how a person thinks, handles emotions, and acts. It's the state of thriving in various areas of life, like accepting their parents' decision to separate and forgiving them. Through acceptance and forgiveness, they can pass their worries. The respondents also answered that at that time, what they did was pray and have faith in God. Having a strong faith also helps them to stay strong, think positively, and be able to think straight, which is a very big contribution into one's mental well being. Since they're aiming to overcome this problem, all the respondents are now striving harder, both in their studies and in life. They also aim to have a complete family in the future and to not let their future children experience what they have experienced.
Sense of responsibility, as caused by the absence of a support system, followed by disorientation and start achieving mental well-being, the respondents finally develop a sense of responsibility. A sense of responsibility is an awareness of one's obligations. Being true to much made these students stand on their own feet and become independent. It pushed them to do so because they experienced this horror at such a young age. They've matured early because of their life experiences. They are aware of their obligations since they have no one to rely upon.
From the data gathered, the researchers were able to conclude the effects of broken family to students' behavioral development. Based on the respondents' answers, it showed that broken family greatly affects the support system of a student, which leads to disorientation. It also influences the students' mental well-being as well as their sense of responsibility. These students experienced broken family at such a young age, which is why most of them tend to show their misery through misbehaving, rebelling, and starts losing interest in their studies. Due to the lack of guidance from their parents, it greatly affects their behavioral development. On the other hand, because of this dilemma, students are now stronger than before. They tend to do their best in order to overcome this problem and strive harder both in their studies and in life. They aim to have a complete family in the future and won't let their future children experience broken family. As a result of their experiences, these students learned how to stand on their own feet and become independent. Based on the results of the study, the researchers were able to formulate and suggest the following.
Student must reach out to a trusted friend or other family members who can provide a listening ear and emotional support. Sharing feelings and experiences with someone you trust can be helpful in relieving stress.
Students should find something to express their emotions, such as writing in a journal, playing music, or participating in creative activities. This can help them process their feelings and emotions.
Students must focus on their dreams and aspirations, set goals, and develop a plan to achieve them. Having a vision for the future can provide motivation and hope during difficult times.
Students must take care of their physical health and mental health. Always stay positive.
Parents should minimize conflict and avoid involving the children in any argument. The parent action and word can have a big lasting impact on the child's emotional well-being.
Parents must maintain a direct communication with their children throughout the process, be honest about what's happening, encourage them to express their feelings and concerns, and listen to what they have to say.
Teachers should reach out to the students who are the product of broken families and must talk to them, guide and motivate them.
Teacher must keep an eye out for signs of changes in behavior that may indicate a student is struggling due to their broken family situation. Help them stay on track with their studies.
Teachers must respect and maintain confidentiality when students share personal information about their family situations. Create a safe space where students feel comfortable sharing their experiences without fear of judgments or disclosure.
With the help of this research study, people will now understand why students who have a broken family act in different way than others. This is the end of our research study in IMRAD format entitled Broken Family, Its Effects to Students' Behavioral Development. Again,
We are Group 3.
thank you and God